Gusto mo ba ng tahimik at preskong getaway? Nasa city lang pero parang nasa probinsya. Take a break without leaving the city. Sa dami ng hassle ng buhay, deserve mong mag-relax, mag-chill at mag-unwind. Yung tamang chill, tamang saya at tamang unwind. Tara na, let's reset and recharge. Iwan mo na ang stress at mag-relax. Refresh your mind, relax your body, enjoy nature. Tunay na probinsya feels pero nasa city ka lang. Chill mode on, kasama ng buong pamilya, barkada, tamang kwentuhan at saya. Enjoy fresh waters in the pool, smell fresh air, and experience total relaxation. Perfect to bring your family, friends, and just be by yourself. May venue para sa small o big celebrations like weddings, birthdays, team buildings, reunion, plus may cozy rooms for your stay. Dito lang sa Bukid in the City, your ultimate place for relaxing escape. Nature trip na chillaxing place pa.